Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Aizul Azrin. I am from Group 13, HFT 10203 L3. I want to present case study 1 with my group, Siti Hajah binti Muhammad Siddiq, Nurtaria binti Zulkifli, Nitya Devi anak perempuan Manoharan, Zarif Balkis binti Abdul Qadir, and I am Wan Aizul Azrin. For introduction, I want to introduce that accounting refers to the acts of combining financial data to make it simple and understandable. Accounting is a process that involves logging, classifying, summarizing, reporting, and analyzing corporate transactions. Account can be divided into 5 categories: assets, liability, equity, revenues, and expenses. 5 types of account statement in this writing are journal, ledger, trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Accounting may support income tracking, guarantee legal compliance, and offer investor and the government quantitative financial data that can to be applied to the business. Here, I already prepared the account journal for my case study, and we can see that the transaction that have been shown in the question, and we can divide the transaction to credit and debit correctly. As a sample, on 1 October 2020, the cash is 400,000 on debit and computer equipment 100,000 on debit, capital 500,000 on credit. The reason is on investment in the business. And 2 October, rent expenses 15,000 on debit and 15,000 cash on credit. The reason is paid rent for office. 4 October is computer equipment 12,000 on debit, account payable Lenovo 12,000 on credit. The reason is purchase of equipment on credit. On 8 October, cash 32,000 on debit and service income 32,000 on credit. The reason is complete work for clients. On 10 October, account receivable Ahmad Sdn Bhd 27,000 on debit and service income 27,000 on credit. And for 12 October, computer equipment 8,000 on debit and cash 8,000 on credit. Purchase the reason is purchase of equipment on cash. 15 October, wage expenses 62,000 on debit and cash 62,000 on credit. The reason is paid cash as wages. And 18 October, cash is 15,000 on debit, account receivable Ahmad Sdn Bhd 15,000 on credit. Reason is collect honor by client. And 25 October, account payable Lenovo 12,000 on debit and cash 12,000 on credit. Paid liability. The reason is paid liability on the equipment on cash. 28 October, the drawings 500 ringgit on debit and cash 500 ringgit on credit. The reason is owner withdraw the cash. And 30 October, cash is 40,000 ringgit on debit, account receivable Lim Sdn Bhd 40,000 on debit and service income 80,000 on credit. And for 31 October, salary expenses is 700 ringgit on debit and cash is 700 ringgit on credit. The reason is paid salary. And 31 October, the last one is utility expenses 5,600 ringgit on debit, card utility 5,600 ringgit on credit. The reason is receivable electricity and bill water.
Next, ledger. Cash account for debit side, October 1, capital 400,000. October 8, service income 32,000. October 18, account receivable 50,000. And last, October 13, service is 40,000. And the total is 487,000. For credit side, October 2, rent 50,000. October 12, equipment 8,000. October 15, wage 6,200. October 25, Account payable 12,000. October 28 drawing 50,500, and October 31 salary 700. October 31 balance CD is 444,600. November 1 balance BD is 444,600. Computer equipment account for debit side 1 October capital 100,000, creditor 12,000, cash 8,000, and the total will be 120,000. For credit side October 31 balance CD is 120,000 and the total will be 120,000. For November 1 balance BD is 120,000. Next, capital account. For October 31 balance CD is 500,000 and the total will be 500,000. For credit side October 1 cash is 400,000. Next, computer equipment 100,000 and the total will be 100,000. November 1 balance BD is 500,000. Next, rent account for debit side October 2 cash 50,000 and the total will be 50,000. For credit side October 31 balance CD will be 50,000 and the total will be 50,000. For November 1 balance BD will be 50,000. Next, account payable for debit side October 4 equipment 12,000 and the total will be 12,000. For credit side October 25 cash 12,000 and the total will be 12,000. Service income account for debit side October 31st balance CD is 139,000 and the total will be 139,000. For credit side October 8 cash is 32,000, October 10 debitor 27,000, and October 30 cash will be 40,000 and the total will be 159,000. For November 1 balance BD is 159,000. Account receivable Ahmad Sindrian Berhad for debit side October 10 sale 27,000 and the total will be 27,000. For credit side October 18 cash 50,000. For October 31 balance CD will be 12,000 and the total will be 27,000. For November 1 balance BD is 12,000. Account receivable Lim Sendram Berhad for debit side October 30 sale will be 40,000 and the total will be 40,000. For credit side October 31 balance CD will be 40,000 and the total will be 40,000. Next, November 1 balance CD will be 40,000. Wages expenses account for October 15 cash will be 6,200 and the total will be 6,200. For credit side October 31 balance CD will be 6,200 and the total will be the same, 6,200. For November 1 balance BD will be 6,200. Next is expenses account for debit side October 31 cash will be 700 and the total will be 700. For credit side October 31 balance CD will be 700 and the total will be 700. November 1 balance BD 700. Drawing account for debit side October 28 cash will be 500 and the total will be 500. For credit side October 31st balance CD will be 500 and the total will be 500. November 1 balance BD will be 500. Next, accrued utility account for debit side October 31 balance CD will be 5,600 and the total will be 5,600. For credit side October 31st utility will be 5,600 and the total will be 5,600. For November 1 balance BD will be 5,600. Next, utility bill account. For debit side, October 31, accurate utility will be 5,600 and the total will be 5,600. For credit side, October 31, balance CD will be 5,600 and the total will be 5,600. November 1, balance BD will be 5,600.
Trials balance as at 31st October 2020. Cash debit side 444600. Computer equipment 120000 debit side. Capital 500000 credit side. Rent 15000 debit side. Service income 139000 credit side. Account receivable Ahmad Senior Berhad 27000 debit side. Salary expenses 700 debit side. Wage 200 debit side. Drawing 500 debit side. Accrued utility 5600 credit side. Utility 5600 debit side. Account receivable Lim Sedia Berhad 40000 debit side. Total for debit and credit 644600. Syarikat Baiduri profit and loss for the 31st October 2020. Service income 139000. Gross profit less expenses. Salary expenses 700. Wage 6200. Rent expenses 15000. Utilities expenses 5600. Total 27500. Net profit 111500. Balance sheet at 31st October 2020. Fixed assets computer equipment 120000. Current assets cash 444600. Ahmad Senior Berhad 27000. Lim Senior Berhad 40000. Total 496600. Less current liability accrued utility 5600. Working capital 491000. Total 611000. For finance by capital 500000. At net profit 111500. Total 611500. Next, less drawing 500. Total 611000.
The usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. What is the profit and loss statement? It's a type of financial reported prepared by a business. It includes expenses, revenue, profit and loss over a period of time. Profit and loss statement may also be referred to as an operating statement or an income statement. How profit and loss statement works. One of the three financial statements that every public company issues on a quarterly and annual basis along with the balance sheet and the cash flow statement. How is the profit and loss statement created? Have the three essential elements will be included in profit and loss statement. The first one is revenue, the second one is cost, and the last one is income. Making a profit and loss statement required following the three important stages. Why is a profit and loss statement important? A profit and loss statement provides manager and decision maker with insight into the company profitability, facility for a variety of costs and expenses incurred along the way. Using this data over time, manager can spot area for improvement, such as growing revenue or cost-cutting measure, and more accurately forecast future performance. External priorities, such as investor and leader, also turn to a company profit and loss statement to determine whether it's worthy of an investment or loan. The usefulness of the balance sheet statement. What is the balance sheet statement? It refers to financial statement that report a company asset, liability, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time. Balance sheet provides the basis for accounting rate of return for investor and evaluating a company capital structure. What are the main component in balance sheet statement? Is it asset, certain asset and fixed long-term asset, liability, certain and non-certain liability, and shareholder equity. The balance sheet equation is it asset equal liability plus shareholder equity. Why the balance sheet statement important? Is it because the financial statement lists everything a company owns and all of its debt? A company will be able to quickly assess whether it has borrowed too much money, whether the asset is owned are not liquid enough, or whether he have enough cash on hand to meet a certain demands. What are balance sheet statements used for? To secure capital.
I'm going to present the final part, which is conclusion. In this part, I will summarize the overall content about accounting records. So the first important material which need in accounting record is journal. Journal records every business transactions properly and accurately, and it will detail transaction information. The second one is ledger, which is the backbone of business accounting because it keeps all records of transaction in separate accounts. The third one is trial balance, which is used to prepare balance sheet and other financial statements, and it helps to spot any accounting errors. The fourth one is profit and loss, the statement which can help in dealing with creditors or bank and help in managing business. This basic report shows how much money business made. And the last one is balance sheets. It displays information in terms of company's assets, liability, and equity, which is what a company owes through the date listed. All these are the most important materials in accounting records, which plays a huge role because any business need a good accounting records to prepare accurate financial statements, and it really helps a business to keep in track of the cash flow as a reference to make targets in future for a healthy business growth and consistency in financial statements. Thank you.